There are millions of children who don't have access to quality science education. We're all familiar with this narrative, right? Today, we can change it. There are millions of children who do have access to quality science education. World Science Movement was initiated to reach disadvantaged children to help fill the knowledge gap around the world. We help them learn to love science and adopt a scientific perspective. We aim to spread the joy of science to children by raising competent and civic-minded individuals who don't feel limited by barriers. How do we do this? Not only do we deliver science kits with the latest technology to children and teachers from the most underserved communities, but we also provide training and resources to further enrich their curricula. Along with working with teachers, we team up with the brightest high school and university volunteers who mentor children and become role models for them. We work hard to transform the science talents of today into the science professionals of the future. We envision a future where children equipped with a quality education can make meaningful contributions to the world. We know that we're not alone in this vision. We have already reached hundreds of thousands of children all around the world, and this number keeps increasing every day. That's why we've been trusted by some of the top companies and education institutions in the world to carry out this consequential mission.
The YGA Science Movement aims to raise free thinkers, unique creators, and confident individuals across society.
Their dedication to improving human life is what really matters here. The world needs more people like them.
For me, the idea of World Science Movement is part of fulfilling ways of impacting the life of children or society at large. Let's do more to move the world scientifically.
I want to become an engineer one day. I imagine a future where all kids can become and do whatever they want to.
This program has brought me hope that I can drive a plane one day.
For society to thrive, no curious mind should be left behind. That's why we've taken steps with socially conscious individuals, corporations, and local partners to turn this vision into action. Join the movement and shape our society and empower the children of the future.